Chapter 10. Birds. Birds. Birds are animals with feathers. They use their beaks and claws to catch, to hold, and eat their food. Female birds lay eggs. They have wings, but not all birds use them to fly. They have very light body made up of hollow bones and thin plates. Birds' body parts: beak, head, neck, trunk, wings, feathers, tail, claws, legs. Body parts of a bird: beaks. Birds do not have teeth. They eat with the help of beaks. They may use their beaks to carry grass, twigs, and other things to make their nest. Let us know more. A sparrow, pigeon, and peacock have a short beaks to pick up and crush seeds. A parrot has a strong curved beak which helps to crack open nuts and seeds. A woodpecker makes a hole in the bark to pull out insects to eat. That's why it has a sharp, pointed beak. A heron has a long, pointed beak, like a spear, to poke the fish. A duck has a broad, flat beak. It scoops the muddy water using it. The hummingbird sticks its long beak deep into flower and sips the nectar. Eagles, vultures, and owls kill small animals. They have strong, sharp, hooked beaks to tear up the flesh. Feet and claws. Birds use their feet to sit on branches. Their claws are used to catch and eat food, to protect themselves from their enemies, and to move about. Perching birds. They have 3 toes in the front and 1 at the back, which help the bird to hold on to a branch. Example: sparrows, crows, etc. Flesh-eating birds. They have strong and sharp claws called talons to hold their prey. Example: hawks and eagles. Climbing birds. They have toes that help them to climb trees and to cling onto them. Example: woodpecker and parakeets. Wading birds. They can wade through muddy water without getting wet with their long and spread out toes. Example: herons and cranes. Swimming birds. They have webbed feet. The web helps them to push water back while swimming. Example: ducks, swans. Scratching birds. They have long legs with sharp toes and hard claws which help them to dig and find insects from the ground. Example: ostrich. Feathers. Birds have 3 kinds of feathers. Number 1, flight feathers. They are long and attached to the wings and tail and help bird to fly. Number 2, down feathers. The body of a bird is covered with small feathers to keep it warm. These are called down feathers. Number 3, body feathers. They cover the rest of body and give shape to the bird. Nests of birds. Birds build nests to lay eggs. They use twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, feathers, pieces of cloth, and pebbles to build their nests. The tailor bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with materials like thread and wool. The eagles and vultures make nest by putting a few sticks together in the shape of a shallow cup. The weaver bird makes a beautiful and strong nest by weaving twigs and grass together. The woodpecker makes a hole in a tree trunk. It lines the hole with chips of woods. The penguin makes its nest by collecting a few pebbles and stones on the ground. Caring of little ones. The mother bird keeps her eggs warm by sitting on them. When the eggs hatch, the chicks come out. The chicks are weak and featherless. When the babies grow, They learn to fly and find food for their own. Then they leave the nest. Quick recall. Birds have wings to fly. Birds use their beaks and claws to catch, hold, and eat food. There are 3 types of feathers: body feathers, down feathers, and flight feathers. Birds use different things to build their nests and lay eggs.